Welcome to this segment and this section. In this short video, I want to explore the Splunk Search and Reporting app. This app comes pre-installed with Splunk Enterprise, and you can access it very easily from the Splunk homepage by simply clicking on Search and Reporting. Now recall that apps that have GUIs, graphical user interfaces, will appear on our app browser on the sidebar here. So Search and Reporting does have a graphical user interface. And the first thing I want to do is explore the landing page of the Search app. We have the search bar where we type in our SPL, Splunk Processing Language. We have our time picker. We have our search mode picker. We have smart mode, fast mode, and verbose mode. And we'll talk more about that in a later lecture. We have our data summary. And we've seen this a few times already before. This shows us all of the data that is coming into our Splunk instance and the metadata for it. So here's the host metadata, the sources metadata, and the source types metadata. We also have quick links to the Splunk documentation and a Splunk tutorial. And one of the great features of Splunk is you can click here on Expand Your Search History, and you can see every search you've ever done. Here I have more than 9 pages of searches. So if you put together a really complex, really powerful search and you accidentally lose it, it will be stored here as long as you've actually used it as a search. Up at the top in the green bar, we have quick links to datasets, reports that we've created, alerts that we've created, and dashboards that we've created. And that is really all there is to the Splunk Search app. And I thank you for joining me in this segment. I look forward to seeing you in the next segment.